the death of one of the four victims who sustained gunfire injuries along the Marcos Highway over the weekend, the principal suspect in Antipolo's road rage incident is facing upgraded charges as a result. Meanwhile, the Volunteers Against Crime and Corruption hailed the quick response by Antipolo police, who caught up with the suspect and put him away into custody. Likewise, the VACC reminds the public to always be discreet and patient in the face of burning anger, which almost always ends up in regret, as our Rocky Lesigas reports.
Multiple cases are now being faced by the suspect in the recent road rage incident in Antipolo City. According to Antipolo PNP Chief of Police Lieutenant Colonel Ryan Manongdo, the filed cases include murder, 2 counts of frustrated murder, and violation of the election gun ban. In the incident, one of the 4 victims died. Meanwhile, the suspect's partner, who was also injured, withdrew from filing a complaint.
Maliban sa nakasanayan na ng investigation natin sa PNP na it would be best na higher offense. Pangalawa, meron kami nakita na ang tama kasi nung initially is sa bandang likod. May tama yung victim natin na likod. So, kinonsider din namin yun. And at the end of the day naman kasi, it will be the prosecutor's office and the court who will decide. Kaya sa amin na lang, for safety reasons, the higher offense na lang ang aming chinarge.
The Volunteer Against Crime and Corruption, or VACC, praised the police for their swift action in apprehending the road rage suspect in Antipolo City last Sunday. The VACC advised the public not to let anger consume them, as regret always comes too late. The PNP leadership has also ordered the Highway Patrol Group to search and inspection in checkpoints in various locations nationwide. This came after a motorist driving a sports utility vehicle shot at others in Antipolo last Sunday, resulting in 3 injuries and 1 death.
Kasama naman po talaga yan. Wala naman po kaming exemption. But I guess yung mga tao po natin, yung flow po ng traffic po yung hinahabol natin. Remember, napapansin yun, yung mga motor nga, it causes so much disruption sa flow ng traffic natin. But we will make a study po para matapos po yan.
PNP Chief Police General Romel Francisco Marbil stressed that not only motorcycles but also 4-wheel vehicles should be subject to inspection at checkpoints. However, the National Police Chief emphasized that the plain view doctrine should be followed during checkpoint operations. This means police officers cannot search a vehicle's interior unless there is sufficient reason or legal basis. Ryan Lesigas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines, Camp Crame.